four-step strategy has been prepared to clean the Yamuna River. Right now we are on the banks of the Yamuna Ghat and also would like to show you the visuals how the work is being done to clean the Yamuna River. And if we talk about the four-step strategy, the first step begins with river cleaning, removing the trash, garbage and spit accumulated in the river, and also identify and clearing the blockages in the river, installing trash trap and debris removal system, and also regularly patrolling the river to prevent littering and dumping of waste. Also, the second step include the drain cleaning, the cleaning of the Najargarh drain, supplementary drain and other major drains will be cleaned, and removing the blockages and debris from the drains also will be kept in mind. Also, the work will be done for that, also repairing and replacing the damaged or broken drain infrastructure. It is very important to repair and replace the broken drainage infrastructure, as we also saw how the National Delhi has been flooded with water in case of the heavy rainfall. So yes, for that also the drainage cleaning is important, and ensuring proper functioning of the drain pumps and machinery. The third step includes the repair of the sewage treatment plants, the repairing existing sewage treatment plants to ensure proper functioning. And also under this step there will be upgrading and modernizing the treatment plant infrastructure, ensuring that the treatment plants are operating at optimal capacity, and also implementing regular maintenance and the inspection schedule. So continuously the inspection will also be done about the cleaning of the Yamuna River. Now let's talk about the fourth step, which includes the fourth strategy, which includes the increasing treatment capacity, and this includes the building new sewage treatment plants to increase the sewage cleaning capacity, expanding the capacity of existing treatment plants, implementing new and innovative treatment technologies, also ensuring that all the treatment plants are equipped to handle the full range of pollutants in the river Yamuna. By implementing these all four strategies, the Delhi government aims to significantly improve the water quality of the river Yamuna. So this is the plan that has been brought up by the government to clean the Yamuna River, and there has been a promise that the Prime Minister has made to give the clean Yamuna to the people of Delhi. I'm Arzu Said with video journalist Sudhir for NewsX in Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.